What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited because I get to bring you a very cool project that's just landed on my lap. Now, before we get in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only, so let's get straight in. So guys, here it is. It's Hero2Quest.io. All right, you can already see from the theme, we've got that sadistic kind of theme in the background. What is this? All right, it's a SocialFi Creator Economy. It's an engagement platform and tools for creating NFT content, not just a past time. So guys, quick overview of the actual website. What's on there is the create to earn, sale, NFT hero, the H2Q community white paper over the top. Please remember the links are always going to be down below. All right, so creating to earn, we have the hero quest equals rewards. So hero plus the quest is equaling the rewards. That's how you actually get them. All right, you apply for your own branded NFT hero. It's presented as a game model specifically designed to create a global liquidity pool for NFT hero. Okay guys, so watching all the stuff and reading all about this, right, this game is claimed to be the center of the ecosystem here, all right? The trick is that the game can create an infinite number of variations of the hero images. You can see some of these cool ways they've designed this, right? What I want to do quickly is click on this video just to show you a little bit.
Welcome to a Hero2Quest, the best app for creating NFT heroes.
This is how you actually create them, guys. Hero plus quest.
Create NFT hero to complete the quest.
So what it's going to show you
of the Hero2Quest are infinite. Create 1,000,000 heroes for 1,000,000 quests.
You're literally putting your stamp on history here, guys.
After completing the quest, you will get rewards.
God, I want that pad with a bat on it. I want a bat.
A unique collection of NFT heroes.
Oh, we love the create to earn aspect as well.
Creation is easy. Do what you like. Be the only owner of your creation.
If you make one, let me know in the comments what it looks like.
To create a legendary hero. Collect your team and earn the most. Build a team of NFT heroes.
We're going to be doing it on this channel, guys. Let me know what yours looks like.
Send the hero to the quest. Get rewards and open crypto box.
That's what we want, them crypto rewards.
Being unique.
I just saw one that looked like Elton John in there. I want that.
Your hero. Create your digital NFT profile in Hero2Quest Smart Game. Save your digital NFT image for the Quest Network universe. Earn in the game.
Guys, this is huge, all right? This is so big. You're actually putting your stamp on history here, all right? So once you're actually in this, okay, you create your own storyline. It's saved in the form of an NFT, and it's a great idea because it could actually be an NFT hero with an interesting story to be forever saved on the blockchain. This story is going to be saved for the rest of time, all right? Such a character is even resold with keeping the history. So if you sell it, the history stays intact, guys. That's incredible. You actually stamp it on history here. The new owner will play and develop the history of it. So imagine I made my own quest. I made my own storyline with this NFT. I sell the NFT. Someone gets to play what I built. That's incredible. Okay, all the NFT holders are going to receive the H2Q income generated by the game ecosystem, and it's rewarding the most loyal ones. Now, how much is your metaverse worth? All right, they say here, if Banks isn't painted on the walls of your metaverse, it's worthless. All right, the protocol for generating personal events is it's a database real life permanently imprinted on the blockchain. Okay, the real life game with 7.92 billion avatars. The hero and the story, so you're creating this uniquely. Whatever you want. This isn't guidelines, whatever you want. Artificial intelligence, personally, any genre and style. All right, you can see the style here, memes, comic, 1960, anime, fantasy, fiction, surrealism, detectives, horror, historical. All right, create heroes and a unique story to whatever you want to do it like, okay? And get into the development. Think positively, as always. Whatever you're doing on this channel, think positive. Remember, links for this are down below. I'm getting super excited. Get ready for what I'm about to show you, okay? Tokens is what we want. We earn tokens in the game. If you're first to join the community, get the maximum benefit. All you gotta do is click this whitelist button and you will get taken over here where you can actually get started in the whitelist. I'm super hyped. This link is down below as well. Now guys, what do these quests actually look like? What are they? Okay, so they could either be tasked or proposed events in which the NFT of the collection of the player can participate. The developers are not revealing many stuff right now, but as we move forward, we will get more information. Okay, there's a lot of plans for it. All we know is now is there's text quest tasks that need to be done on principle that if you have a hero, you can actually fulfill them. Okay, that means hero and quest equals reward, just as I keep saying. Makes it clear that it should be that easy. Super, super easy. Okay, join the authors here. You can actually become an artist if you want to do this yourself. Idea, create, minting, game, and reward it, and actually join the team. All of the team are here. Check on their LinkedIn. Just hover over them. Go on and research them, all right? Do your own research always. They are incredible, and they're very clued up for this. Now, I want to click on Sale NFT Hero and show you a little bit of here, all right? You can actually buy these originally, all right? The developers did not plan to sell these, and they only made a minimum NFT for in the game, but Creator Economy, they know they had a startup capital in the form of NFT heroes, and they decided to make a supply of the form of the batch of 3,750 pieces. Okay, whether there's more sold in the future, who knows? But that's how many we got now. All you got to do is click the whitelist like I showed you, and again, this is the first 100 NFT character sale offer. Super, super excited about this, guys. In summary, guys, you can actually watch this video again, understand it more, watch that trailer video, watch all the videos on their website, links are down below, all right? But if there's any more questions after you've watched them, we're still waiting for the release of the beta version in the game, all right? It's in February, but in the meantime, jump into their socials, get in their Discord, links are down below, get in all their groups and test the alpha version, all right? It's gonna be released very, very soon in December, and of course, the developers came up with a reward to work alpha testers. All right, what the rewards are, we do not know. You've got to find out in the Discord channel. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this. My name is George. I've had a blessed time. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and I'll see you on the next video.